Everything is driven by hydraulics, and specifically each of the tracks is driven by its own hydraulic actuator, and then that hydraulic actuator is chain driven down to the sprockets for the tracks. This provides both simplicity and a lot of flexibility because the tracks provide a positive way to be driven, so we don't have to worry about ratcheting, not having good sound traction in the drive system itself. And the other aspect is with the chain, it's very simple from a maintenance standpoint to maintain it, as well as basic issues like chain tension. This whole entire assembly can be adjusted with a single bolt. So in the event that I need to make an adjustment to chain tension, it's simply a matter of loosening 4 bolts, making the appropriate adjustment, double checking that my tensioning is within specification, retightening, and I'm back in business again.